Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of KakaoTalk. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.